Welcome. I wanted to show a video on how easy it is to move the bones of one mesh to another. So I was looking at the Dracolich and discovered that there was a different model painted. And so this is moving my original Dracolich to the black Dracolich. So I'm importing the black Dracolich here. You can see it there. And I'm just going to import the other one because I thought that it had the same pose, the base pose. So I'm going into my module, grabbing the Dracolich that I had previously done, which was in the wrong folder here. So I go into the 3D-Animations folder under D for Dracolich and find my animated one. And sure enough, the pose is the same, so that is fantastic. So really easy to do this then. So there are my bones. I'm going to take the one that I don't need. I separated the mesh from the bones, and then I've got this one, and I just shift clicked on the bones and do the automatic weights component. I'm still going to use my merge mesh by distance so I don't get any broken mesh pieces. And that's pretty much it. So if we look at some of this, must have been one of my original animations since I don't have them coded into 0, 1s, and 2s, but just the name fly, idle, and static. And as we can see, when I choose fly, the mesh matches the model just like that. If I choose idle, we'll see the same thing. And it makes it real easy to create alternatives as long as the base pose and the mesh matches relatively the same. So here we'll go ahead and export this new black Dracolich. And so in 3DCanvas, I'm just looking for where this thing is and what it's called, Dracolich Black. So exporting into my module under creatures. Here I'm going to name it Dracolich Black. And then animated. I always like to add animated, so if someone's doing a search for only animated models, they'll find mine. And then we'll be looking into adding it to Foundry. So if we look at right here, and I'd like to remove the base and set my hovered by owner for display bars. And then we have that same one, except differently painted. So we have a variety of the Dracoliches now. This one looks really cool when you drag it in Foundry. Look, because of that fly animation, it kind of looks like it's moving. I do have another model hidden in the ground there, which was confusing me. But we'll see, yeah, right there. So when it moves across the scene, it looks like it's flying just because of that idle animation. Pretty neat. And so here I'm just setting up with that other Dracolich, so that way we can see the variety there and setting that animation as well. So that's how easy it is to move your bones onto a similarly posed mesh, which is why we can get alternative paint jobs animated very easily. Follow me for more 3DCanvas stuff, Blender animating, and virtual tabletop immersion.